Hello guys and welcome back to a new video and to a trade recap of the first trade of the year. So I took some time off, just over a week, not because of the low probability conditions or something like that, but I had to take some days off to clear my mind, to start with a fresh mind, okay? And if I strongly recommend you to do so, if you didn't, if you feel the need to just close the charts, forget about trading for some time, I strongly recommend you to do that. And not one day, not 2 days, minimum of 1 week, and don't come back at the end of the day maybe to review the trades. No, just forget about trading, and it will help you tremendously, believe me. So as you can see on the chart, today was really beautiful, simple price action. And guys, if you can't read this simple price actions like today, that means that you need to go to backtest a lot to review other days to know how trending days work, okay, how ranging works. Because if you can't read this simple price action, you can't read days like this. Maybe let me just yeah. So sometimes there are gonna be days where we have this all day long, and you will get cooked in this if you can't even read this price action. Okay, so let me just and here you can see that my trade, okay, I took it on micro NQ, and the stop loss was a bit wide, 68 point, right? Took some contracts in here, stop loss here, TP was here, right? Okay, beautiful. So what happened today in New York session? All we had is a simple continuation to the downside, continuation to what happened before equity open. Okay, so this was equity open at 9:30, and we just continue to the downside. If you go to the 15 minutes, if you open the chart and you see this, don't even think about looking at the right side or the left side and trying to look for reversals, maybe reversal from here, maybe here. Don't look at this. All you had to do is to continue the trend. This is based on years of experience. Don't try to be the hero to reverse the whole trend. Okay, it's way easier to continue with the trend, because if the market wants to continue this trend, it will give you like easy signs, all right, easy confirmation to go with it. But here you will get a lot of tricky price action. If you want to look for the reversal, you will see convincing signals that the price wants to reverse, and then you will get cooked. And I know that some of you who are watching took reversal trades from here, so you know what I mean. So all you had to do is to continue the trend. Don't look at this. You can rely only on this and you can still make money. So what happened? Let me go to the 5-minute maybe. So after 10:30 here, so we had this down move, all right. So what I'm looking at is areas to look for continuation to the downside. So what do we have here? What kind of areas do we have? So just follow this process in an uptrend or or a downtrend. We have this. There's a first imbalance. It could push price to make a new low. That's a possibility. We have we also have this fractal from this low to this high. We also have this imbalance, so that's the second or the third area of reversal. And then we have this zone that price can easily also react to it. So not SNDR, let me remove it. So all you had to do is to mark your potential levels of price to reject from and then continue to the downside. that's the first thing. The next thing is easily look for confirmations. Do we have a confirmation on here to look for lower? No. Also not here. A simple rejection and then continue to upside. Tapping into this imbalance and also nothing in here. This is not, this 3 candles, this is not a reversal. This is a simple pullback, okay? And then look what happened. One more time, trading to the upside and failing to make a new high. So this is suggest weakness, and we might continue to the downside, but still we need more confirmations of that, okay? So we have that, and we also have an SMT here, so that's really beautiful. You can see between this high and this high, and you're already looking for continuations. You are already looking for some weakness or rejection from here, and you see this is a good sign. Now all you have to do is to look for something to get broken. All right, it can be a zone, it can be an imbalance, and one of them needs to be responsible for the current order flow. The current order flow is bullish, and which one is keeping the order flow is bullish? In this instance, let's remove this. It is this imbalance right here. You can see how many times price pushed into it and then traded to the upside. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles, 7 candles, right? And price still can't break it. So once we break this, and with all of this in mind, the context, this is a very good sign that we're going lower. And I took my entry from here. I was looking for this candle to get violated, or this candle to close below this low. It almost did. I saw a very strong indication of going lower. You see this wick right here, so I entered from here. So yeah, this was kind of an early entry, okay, because I thought price is gonna explode from here to the downside or just melt down. It didn't happen, but I was so confident with trading lower, and I took 1 hour from here, so 68 point stop loss, exactly 68 point. Beautiful. And then price just traded to the downside, and I took 1 hour from here, but you can see that price continued to take this, and then a pullback, and then continuation to the downside, and then a pullback and closing the day. So you can see that this is a very, very easy price action to read. All right, again, if you didn't understand today's price action, that's your sign to go to the lab and backtest more. All right, because you will not find this easy days every single day, every single time. There are going to be days where you make money. There are going to be days where you manage risk. All right, so I hope you like this video. If you found it informative, leave a like. All right, and make sure to subscribe so you won't miss my upcoming videos. Now, happy trading and good luck.